In today's digital world, cybersecurity is not just a technical necessity, but a strategic imperative. The core of any robust cybersecurity framework lies in the seamless integration of security management and risk management. Security management is about ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. It's a proactive approach that anticipates potential threats and implements safeguards to protect valuable data assets. Risk management complements security management by identifying and evaluating the risks associated with information assets. It's about understanding the vulnerabilities, assessing the impact of potential threats, and deciding on the best mitigation strategies. The risk-based approach is at the heart of modern cybersecurity. This approach involves a continuous process of assessing risks, prioritizing them based on their potential impact, and applying the appropriate security measures to reduce or eliminate these risks. However, cybersecurity isn't just about managing risks. It's also about resilience, building systems that can withstand attacks and recover quickly. This requires a multi-layered strategy that goes beyond traditional risk management, incorporating elements like incident response, recovery planning, and continuous monitoring. Adhering to international standards such as ISO/IEC 27001 ensures that your security practices are aligned with global best practices. Compliance not only helps in mitigating risks, but also in gaining trust from clients and stakeholders. The integration of security management and risk management creates a comprehensive defense mechanism. By aligning these two approaches, organizations can better protect their assets, ensure business continuity, and stay ahead of emerging threats. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, a robust security and risk management approach is essential. It's not just about preventing breaches, it's about building a secure foundation for the future. Stay vigilant, stay secure. For more insights on cybersecurity and risk management, visit our website. Secure your future today.